Mike Westphal here with McDonald Garden Center, and today I want to tell you about Crepe Myrtle bark scale. Unfortunately, this has become a huge issue here in the Hampton Roads area to one of our beloved trees, the Crepe Myrtle. These small little white insects start way up in the top of the tree, and they suck the sap out of the plant. And as they do that, they secrete a sticky substance that's called honeydew. And this honeydew can get on surrounding plants that attracts a fungus called sooty mold. So all of these things can harm your crepe myrtles, cause them not to bloom and look as great. I have one product that I really love. It's made by Fertilume. It's called Tree and Shrub Systemic Insect Drench. It's really easy to apply. It takes a few ounces in a gallon of water, and you just apply it right close to the base of the tree. Then it gets absorbed by the root system, goes all the way to the treetops, and lasts an entire year and will kill the insect. Over time, the sooty mold can't live because it doesn't have the honeydew, and that problem will cure itself as well. So come into McDonald Garden Center if you have a problem with crepe myrtle bark scale.